Yo, what you saying? It's Cali. I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough of my 52 volt 2000 watt Kirbebike build. So this is the current setup. At the minute I've got the 2000 watt rear hub motor laced to the MTX39 rim with a Schwalbe Supermoto rear tyre, 29-inch wheels. The frame is a Mafia Lucky 6 STB with a custom paint job in the Joker theme. It's got RockShox, Judy and a Hope Fortis front wheel. Got a 35 amp controller and a 52 volt battery inside this bag. Got a Sur-on throttle which has been rewired to fit the Kirbebike kit. Much better quality throttle. We've got the Maxxis High Roller 2 knobbly tyre on the front just for better traction. We've got our Amazon front headlight, 5 modes including fog and flash. Got some riser bars, a Magura MT5 E-stock rear brake, 4 piston with the Magura MDRP rotor in 180mm. I'm currently not running any gears on this setup. I just have a peg bottom bracket conversion. As you can see, I've got some spacers here which space it out and replace the bottom bracket cups, and then the peg is bolted straight through to the other side with some washers inside. Any issues I've had with the build so far with just where stretching the rear wheel to get this spacer in here, I've had to stretch the frame more this way, but it pulled the brake mount over by 3mm, so I've had to counteract that by putting spacers on this side to push it that way. Alright guys, so we're back on the bike now. I'm just gonna have a little ride around, show you. So we're in mode 3. It's capped at about 33 mph on full charge. Mode 4 and 5 go between 30 and 40, depending on obviously how charged the battery is. But in 30 mph, it's plenty of speed for the average person. I am upgrading to the 60 volt, but that's obviously because I do quite a lot of tricks, stunts, so I need more torque and more speed, more power. But for the average person, this kit, 52 volt 2000 watt 35 amp controller, is perfectly fine. Right, let's open it up a little bit. See, we're staying with cars, we're having to brake now. As you can see, it holds the speed quite nicely. I'm lifting off the throttle and we're maintaining speed. A lot of that is due to me removing my gear setup because there's now no friction going through the bike. We'll give them a bit of space and then I'll go on a little rip. Right, let's go. So you're at 25 already. 30. As I say, it really does roll very smooth. The throttle response is nice, very nice. Obviously I've got the Sur-on throttle, so it's almost an instant throttle response. The original throttle, I liked it, but it wasn't sensitive enough for what I needed it for. Stick the light on. Open it up again. We'll put it in mode 5 this time. See if we can get a top speed run. 28, 29, 30. Now we're picking up on this car. We're gonna have to brake. Right, mode 5 again. This time we're gonna try and pick it up. It's very smooth. The power delivery is smooth. It's nice for wheelies. As you can see, I've done just under 750 miles in about 2.5 months. I've had no issues in that 750 miles. Everything's run smooth. As you can see, we hit max 32.2. We could have got about 36, 37. Obviously we had to brake for the car. You can see the response in 5. The front wheel just wants to come up. If I give it a little pop, it will just come up. And then I'm easing with the throttle and the brake at the same time to maintain my speed and hold the wheelie, and leaning, using my arms, knees, etc. So to maintain the balance. Right, I've changed the camera angle slightly. I'm gonna try and get a neon seat now. Over the speed bump. See if we can get it back. Yeah. It's a bit of a brighter spot. Let's see if we can get some circles going. Yeah. We're just back from the ride now. Just gonna do a little outro. I want to say a big thank you to Kirbebike for all the support and the help building this build. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be the 60-volt upgrade. Drop a like and comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.